Take a look at this magnitude response of an amplifier. The gain is constant over a wide frequency range, as you can see here. The bandwidth of the amplifier is roughly between omega 1 and omega 2. Signals whose frequencies are lower than omega 1 and higher than omega 2 will experience lower gain. The range of frequencies in the bandwidth is where the gain is almost constant. The amplifier is designed so that its bandwidth coincides with the range of frequencies contained in the input. In other words, its spectrum. Otherwise, different frequencies of the input signal would get amplified by different amounts and result in distortion. However, you should ask, why is the gain constant at some places and why does it fall off at others? How can we control it? The answer is in the following lessons.